burned, everything is burned. People have fled.
So what do you think of the people who did this?
Well, I think the animals. I mean, what normal civilized person can do such a thing? If you have to arrest somebody, you storm your house, you arrest him, put in cops on, you know, and then you move him to police station. But this is only to destroy, to draw away the people, you know. It's a terrorist, you know. There is no other way. You can't talk to them, because if our politician went to talk to them, they've killed them, you know. And you know what time it is. And you see here the proof. I mean, this man didn't have a chance. It was family inside. And I don't know if they've survived or not, you know. But if they've survived, they're very much lucky for that, you know. And you see how much powerful the weapons are when they can bow this iron. It's not so much power, but it's quite a lot, you know. And they didn't try even to storm it, because you don't have an open door. It's only to destroy, not to kill,
And of course to drive Croatians out of Croatia.
Yeah, and they want to have, after this war, then they want to have our country, you know. So they have quite a unlogical politic things, you know. They want to have this country, and then the next, and the next. It's a communist way of living. They're stealing, you know. They're robbing people, and we all know what communists are. And now you got the proof there. And they're using terrorists to get to the rights. I mean, their rights. What they think are the rights, but I don't think they got any rights to live, you know.
Isn't this working from their point of view, in that there are now parts of Croatia without any Croatians in them, because the civilians have gone away?
Yeah, but right now the guards are inside, and the anti-terrorist force, and we won't give up this town. And now it's not so much strategic, you know, but it's more a psychological things right now. Our politicians have said this was the last thing you've done, and now when you come back here, we will fight, you know. So we'll see what happens. When they come back, they come back. When they don't, they don't. So we're waiting, you know. We won't give up here.
Does this mean you have to defend every inch of Croatia?
Yes, right now, yes. And we're defending right now on the borders. If we don't defend the borders, they will move up until they get everything there. And ovdje Garan 8.
Molim te da završimo s tim i idemo na položaj.
Dobro, razumio sam. We have to cut our interview. We have to go back to my position. What? You get your training in Croatia? No, I got training in Africa. South of firing the terrorists, they're coming, so we have to go in the positions, you know. Yeah. And when they're coming, I'm 100% sure, 1 kilometer behind them, they are the army, you know, the tanks. So we get in position,